Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Sentra battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm or 13mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Remember to wear protective gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to prevent any potential injuries during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating your battery, usually found under the hood on the passenger side. Using a 13mm wrench, first disconnect the negative terminal, which is often marked with a minus sign. Always remove the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, being careful not to let your wrench touch any metal parts of the car. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good conductivity. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal last, ensuring both connections are secure and stable. This order is crucial for safety. You're almost done. To extend your new battery's life, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Double-check all connections one last time to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Now, start your Nissan Sentra to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and your vehicle powers on without issues. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center. Never just throw it away. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.